Alright, I'm here in Minecraft Snapshot 13w37a, and I want to show you some cool stuff. As you can see, I have a big canyon, and, well, I need a bridge to get across. And I've got the start of a bridge here, as you can see, but no bridge. Or do I? With the magic of command blocks and the new setblock command, we can create a bridge that only exists when the player is actually standing on it. Quite simply, we have a whole bunch of command blocks triggered by this super fast timer, essentially the fastest timer you can actually make. Our first command block is a test for, just checks whether there is a player in the block directly above the tile of the bridge that we're concerned with. It has a radius of 2. That way it's able to generate the bridge before the player has to step on it, or else you'll just fall off. Because as you can see, I'm almost able to run off the end, but I'm not quite that fast. If the radius were set to 1, I could run right off the edge. Now, of course, the test for, when that's positive, it's going to turn this comparator on, and that's going to set that block to glass. And of course, we have our knot with this torch here so that when our test for is false, we will trigger this set block, which sets air in the same place that this one set glass. Here we have a much smaller version of essentially the same thing. Turn this on. Now, one problem we have is you can fall right through one of these. And that's because you can't actually make a clock faster. Well, okay, I think there is a design involving pistons that will get a faster clock than this, but it's a bit unreliable and laggy. This is the fastest clock that has minimum lag. So there's a limit to just how fast you can move on this bridge. So unfortunately, you cannot land on it. And if you have speed boost, you'll go too fast. Let's see, speed. Speed 2. So this is just walking with speed, and then sprint with speed. It's actually... Oh, there we go. And then we try going across the big one. Okay, so it is keeping up enough to keep me from falling. But you can see I keep getting stuck. And there's nothing... If I spawned something with higher speed, I could definitely outrun it though. And as you can see, I can fall right through it pretty easily. And that's about all there is to it. I'll just go through these commands so you can see. Very simple. Very, very simple. And that's all there is to it.